Hey guys, we're out here at Chatfield State Park. It is cold, but we have to do a test flight here with Matthias from HeliClassics, and this is one of his Mi-24 Hind helicopters, which I am the proud owner of. But we just put a Jeti receiver setup in it, and this is a test flight, and probably the last day we could do this before the weather turned to shit. Which it already did. You like the way it feels?
Yeah.
Terrific. Keep it on that side of the runway, even though there's nobody here. If you like this video, there's plenty more at ScaleHeliPilot.com. Not only are there videos, there are courses, articles, discussions, build stories, events, marketplace, and more. Head over to ScaleHeliPilot.com and join the fun.